Pool Live AR, a revolutionary augmented reality tool that completely transforms the game of billiards, is Pool Live AR, which was developed by Forge IT, a company based in Portugal. The cue, balls, and table limits may all be identified with just a single projector and camera that is positioned in a strategic manner above the table. Once it has been mapped, it will project real-time guides, which will make the game experience more enjoyable. It is also possible for the system to display the score in addition to other pertinent information. Players are able to load or share a certain state of the table through the tool's integrated social network, which is endowed with functionality. The community can also vote on the best solution for that table condition, and solutions can be shared with one another. Pool Live AR takes the game of pool or billiards to an entirely new level, providing a more dynamic and interesting experience for players. TCL RayNeo X2. Using Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 platform, the RayNeo X2 are the first augmented reality glasses that can stand on their own. You can capture and interact with the world around you using their 16-megapixel camera, which is accompanied by a SLAM system and gesture recognition. Among the many features available on the RayNeo X2 are smart notifications, real-time translation, GPS navigation, picture and video recording, and much more. Plus, there's a library full of augmented reality apps and games that will make your time even more enjoyable. With their modern style and feather-light construction, the RayNeo X2 are the perfect sunglasses. With 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, they come with a charging cord and a case. You may control them with your voice or touch, and they work with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can get your hands on the RayNeo X2 on Indiegogo right now for $699 if you act fast. EDAG CityBot. Through its incorporation into a smart ecosystem, the EDAG CityBot reimagines urban mobility as a fully autonomous robot vehicle. In addition to complementing rail-based traffic, it also functions as a public transportation and work system. The CityBot can communicate with other robots as well as the smart city network. Because of its adaptability and modular design, it may serve multiple purposes, including housing passengers, transporting goods, cleaning the city, or maintaining parks. It can handle any transportation or work scenario in urban or industrial regions by combining with different utility modules. Thus, the EDAG CityBot satisfies the demands of urban development, rising traffic volumes, and people by providing an eco-friendly, efficient, and scalable transportation solution. When coupled with digital micropayment systems, it offers new business models and is a game changer for future mobility. AVIDRONE, 210 teraliters. Automated cargo delivery is made possible with the help of the AVIDRONE 210 teraliters, a high-performance UAV. It is well suited for a wide range of agricultural and industrial uses because to its expanded range and payload capacity. With a range of up to 100 kilometers, this drone is capable of carrying a maximum payload of 16 kilograms. An environmentally conscious choice for long-distance, heavy-lift cargo transportation, the 210 TL is powered by battery electricity. Its adaptability to logistical activities is enhanced by its tandem rotor design, which guarantees stability in all weather situations. Beyond visual line-of-sight operations are made possible by AVIDRONE's proprietary autopilot technology, which eliminates the need for specialized pilots. Because of its little noise output, the 210 teraliters can be used in environments where background noise is a concern. It comes in 3 sections for convenient transit and can be quickly assembled on-site for speedy deployment. Lixel X1, a LiDAR scanner that is tiny, powerful, and precise. The Lixel X1 is capable of capturing scenes from the real world and quickly generating detailed 3D models without the need for any post-processing to be done. Real-time data capture and immediate data preview are both features that are offered by this system, which is powered by cutting-edge SLAM technology. For a wide range of applications, including surveying, mapping, and 3D printing, this gadget, which is both lightweight and integrated, is an impeccable choice. Sub-millimeter accuracy is offered by the Lixel X1, which is renowned for its high-performance LiDAR sensor. In addition to being easy to transport and use in the field, it is designed to be user-friendly, with a structure that is both compact and lightweight. The Lixel X1 was first presented to the market in 2023, and since then, it has developed into a trustworthy instrument within the sector. CUDII Dog Bed. To ensure the health and comfort of your beloved pet, the CUDII Smart Dog Bed is an innovative device. Your dog's vitals, including their respiration rate, weight, temperature, and sleep patterns, can be tracked in real time by this Wi-Fi-enabled bed's high-precision sensor. It swiftly changes the temperature of the bed using a thermoelectric cooling unit, so your pet is always comfortable. You can see your pet and hear what they are saying thanks to the built-in camera in the bed that allows for two-way conversation. You may put your dog to sleep more soundly by playing soothing music through the built-in speakers. For optimal relaxation and pressure relief, the CUDII bed has orthopedic support and memory foam padding. By utilizing a smartphone app, you have complete control over the bed settings. This allows you to effortlessly modify the temperature, massage options, and more, regardless of your location. KILOW La Bagnole. Combining elements of a Jeep CJ, a tiny pickup truck, and a UTV, the KILOW La Bagnole is an exceptional electric off-roader. We aimed for portability, functionality, and durability in its design. It can conquer any terrain with its top speed of 80 kilometers per hour. It has a weight of just 350 kilograms and a range of 70 or 140 kilometers on its own. The living space is designed to be basic and modular, with wood paneling, putting the driving experience first. The vehicle also has a big, customizable load area. The Bagnole's efficient and entertaining drive is due in large part to its small 16-kilowatt motor. It's a toy that adults can actually play with, according to the manufacturer. In addition to being sensible and functional, this vehicle also provides an entertaining and carefree way to get around town. Unlike conventional cars, it offers a new perspective on movement. Ascento Guard. The state-of-the-art autonomous robot known as Ascento Guard is set to shake up the security sector. Ascento Robotics, the company behind it, just secured $4.3 million to use AI and robotics to improve security operations. Designed specifically for use on outdoor patrols, the Ascento Guard can handle a wide variety of terrains with ease and speed. Among its many high-tech features are thermal, RGB, and infrared cameras. It also has the ability to charge itself, and its battery life is more than 4 hours. Without human involvement, the robot can continue operating continuously because to its all-weather capability and safe walking pace. With Ascento's robotics as a service offering, businesses can rent the cutting-edge Ascento Guard for as little as an hour, cutting expenses right away. With its reasonable pricing, Ascento Guard is within reach of companies looking to beef up their security. HighWonder SpiderPi Pro. Incorporating artificial intelligence vision and running on Raspberry Pi 4B, the HighWonder SpiderPi Pro is a state-of-the-art hexapod robot. It has a 5-degree of freedom robot arm, an inertial measurement unit sensor, a glowy ultrasonic sensor, intelligent serial bus servos with a torque of 20 kilograms, and more. Python can be used to program the robot. Machine vision, deep learning, OpenCV, and hexapod robot motion control are just a few of the many areas that can benefit from this platform. With its enhanced 5DOF vision arm, SpiderPi Pro is able to precisely detect, follow, grab, sort, and stack things. A variety of tripod and quadruped gaits are made possible by its use of inverse kinematics. It has a number of customizable features, including a height, speed, direction, and turn capability. With the use of an app, you may remotely manage the robot's movements and view a live feed of the camera. H2 Fly High 4. A hydrogen fuel cell system supplies the propulsion for the H2 Fly Hawaii 4, which is a pioneering aircraft. The first flight of this aircraft, which has 4 seats, took place in the year 2016. When it comes to propulsion, the HY4 relies on hydrogen, which is then transformed into energy by its fuel cell technology. It is a sustainable alternative for air travel because it results in aircraft that produces 0 emissions. By successfully accomplishing the world's first piloted flight fueled by liquid hydrogen in the year 2023, the HY4 set a new record globally. Its range expanded from 750 kilometers to 1,500 kilometers as a result of this. An electric motor with 80 kilowatt of power is installed in the HY4, which has a cruising speed of 145 kilometers per hour. A continuous power output of 45 kilowatts is provided by the aircraft's battery, which has a storage capacity of around 21 kilowatt at 1 degree Celsius. Decarbonizing commercial aircraft is a huge step forward. Digitsole Smart Shoe. In terms of intelligent sneakers, nothing has been done before the Digitsole Smart Shoe. The ability for it to automatically tighten and monitor your activity levels is phenomenal in the realm of wearable technology. The built-in sensors track your gait, posture, impact force, heart rate, and calories burned, among other metrics. The device may connect to your smart devices over Bluetooth in order to offer coaching. A heating feature is also built into the Smart Shoe, so users can regulate the temperature of their sneakers with the simple touch of a button on their smartphone. Along with that, the sneaker lets the user adjust the fit, temperature, and lighting all from their mobile device. Incorporating cutting-edge technology into footwear, these shoes represent the future of footwear. The ideal combination of form, function, and technology, it is made to improve your routine and exercises. MantaBrew WeighMaster. Revolutionizing the modular coffee scale industry, the MantaBrew WeighMaster combines classic design with cutting-edge technology. Its many brewing modes and multi-module sharing capabilities provide boundless opportunities for interaction and innovation. With the WeighMaster's on-demand modules, you can personalize your coffee experience. On top of that, it has a flip TFT screen, an LED light bar, and feedback on data in real time. The WeighMaster is designed with beginners in mind, with clear instructions that are in line with SCA standards and WBRC champion practices. For more exact brewing, it has a coffee-water ratio mode as well. The components of the WeighMaster can be connected and disconnected thanks to its innovative design. Brew measures are taken to a whole new level by this Hong Kong-based device. The WeighMaster boasts innovative features like as the portafilter tare mode and the weighing timer mode, in addition to its modular design. Surf-eDNA. The goal of the Surf-eDNA project is to bring about a revolution in the mapping of marine biodiversity. This is accomplished through the utilization of an autonomous underwater robot that imitates the movement of a fish, hence enabling it to fit in perfectly with coral reef habitats. The robot is outfitted with a cutting-edge navigation algorithm as well as an electronic DNA filter, which allows it to gather important data regarding the richness of the ecosystem. It is capable of taking high-resolution movies as well as isolated eDNA samples, making it a platform that is minimally invasive and capable of gathering a substantial amount of data. Through the utilization of this cutting-edge methodology, researchers are able to acquire fresh understandings of marine life, which ultimately results in enhanced protection and monitoring of a wide range of marine species and ecosystems. HydroBoat 1200. An UAV with many uses, the HydroBoat 1200 can conduct hydrographic surveys and keep tabs on the environment. A wide variety of water measuring equipment can be easily integrated into this all-inclusive platform. Because of its small weight and improved mobility, it can be easily transported for surveys to different locations and used for a variety of instrument deployments. The HydroBoat 1200 uses cutting-edge GNSS plus IMU algorithms that work together to provide extreme precision. Equipped with millimeter-wave radar, dual-color navigation lights, and a 360-degree PTZ camera, it boasts significant safety enhancements. Advanced data collection and processing, side-scan sonar, dual-frequency sounder, image sonar, multi-parameter water quality meter, and other optional attachments are all compatible with the HydroBoat 1200. Any operation involving current measurement, bathymetry, underwater survey, or water quality assessment would benefit greatly from its use. Serpent Flood Barriers. An original approach to flood protection is provided by the Serpent Flood Barriers. A powerful barrier against potentially hazardous floods is provided by these inflated tubes. These barriers, which are entirely filled with air, are designed with speed and convenience in mind. Within 12 to 18 minutes, a Serpent berm that is 30 feet in length can be inflated. They come in lengths of 15 feet and 30 feet, and they can provide protection for heights of up to 3 feet. It is possible to link sections in order to produce a more substantial barrier. A powerful flood control system, the Serpent is a result of the expanded skirt, which acts as ballast when the flood water arrives. In addition to being reusable, they can be deflated, rolled up, and stored simply on pallets, making them convenient for transport and deployment in the future. The Serpent flood barriers are a solution that is both practical and efficient for flood protection.